You got to talk.
Oh, you got it on video?
Yes.
Why would you do that?
I think it's video.
I'm gonna get buried. You have it on?
Yeah. Says it is.
Okay. Does it show like time?
Peggy going down to make a snow angel.
Ready?
We're videoing, girl. Go get after it. Just a minute. Now she's trying to get out of the snow and back up to the house.
You're coming back. I know there's stuff in there somewhere. Ah!